What's up, guys? It's John from Optimized Nurse. So today we're going to talk about how to break through the plateau of latent potential. This is one of the ideas from James Clear in his book Atomic Habits, and I really love the visual of this here. So let me take a little excerpt out of the book real quick. Imagine that you have an ice cube sitting on the table in front of you. The room is cold and you can see your breath. It is currently 25 degrees, and ever so slowly the room begins to heat up. 26 degrees, 27, 28. The ice cube is still sitting on the table in front of you. 29 degrees, 30, 31, and still nothing has happened. And then 32 degrees. The ice begins to melt. A 1 degree shift, seemingly no different from the temperature increase before it, has unlocked a huge change. Breakthrough moments are often a result of many previous actions that build up the potential required to unleash a major change. Man, I really love that idea in that excerpt out of the book because it really demonstrates the power of the plus one stuff. So check out this graph. I'm going to draw out this graph for you guys real quick. All right, it's a X and Y axis. It's got results and time, and this is a graph that he included in the book. So he says, so here's this blue line right here. He says this is what we think should happen. You know, we expect to make progress in a linear fashion, but it's kind of frustrating to us whenever we don't see the results that we want, because he says that we don't understand this. And you see this red line here. This is what actually happens, and the difference in between those two lines right there, he calls, as you can see that I wrote here, is called the Valley of Disappointment. So what I really want to do is, the reason why I made this video was to really encourage you guys that if you find yourself struggling to build a good habit or break a bad habit, just remember that it's not that you're unable or that your work is not wasted. It's just being stored up. And complaining about it like not achieving success is kind of like complaining about the ice cube not melting until you hit that breaking point of 32 degrees. It's at that point right there, that injunction point that you see, that's when you become an overnight success. Remember, guys, mastery takes practice. Practice, practice, practice. Plus one, plus one, plus one. All the action happens at 32 degrees, baby. All right. Well, thanks for watching this short little video. We'll see you in the next one, guys.